Hello there! Welcome to Introduction to Robotics and Entrepreneurship, where you would learn to make simple robots and reimagine creating a business out of it as a product. My name is Mahdi Hassan and I will be leading you through the course. I have graduated from Queen Mary University of London, where I have a degree on engineering, and I have co-founded a robotics company while I was in my studies. I am currently the CTO of Adama Robotics, where I design simple educational robots for people with no prior experience. We designed this course for anyone seeking to learn robotics and create a company out of it. By the end of the course, you'll be able to analyze, design, and build your first robot, and learn the strategies of businesses in the real world. We will be teaching you the methods from the reputed universities and organizations in the United Kingdom and States, which will give you predictably good results in 5 days or less. This method is great for someone with no business or technical experience. Not only will we cover the details, but we will also provide resources for you for free. Together, we will walk you through the entire process step by step. No requirements, we only ask you come open-minded and ready to learn. The ideal students for this course would be someone who wants to be a roboticist and an entrepreneur. Feel free to take a look through the description, and we look forward to seeing you inside. Thank you. Bye-bye.